Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be folding Origami Dragon. For this I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and I'll be starting with the plus crease by keeping the white side on the top. Now turn the paper and keep the color side on the top and create a cross crease. This is a pre-creasing which will help us to collapse the paper into preliminary base. This is called square base or preliminary base. Now keeping the paper like this, bring two sides to the center crease. Turn the paper and repeat the step. Now you can see a triangle over here. You have to fold it inside as shown. Open it and repeat the same thing on the other side so that it will be easier for you to make the bird base. Open these two flaps and lift one paper. Bring two sides to the center crease and flatten the paper as demonstrated. Turn the model and repeat the same thing. This is called as bird base. Using this base, we can create a flapping bird or a crane. The links are given in the description box below. Now bring these two sides to the center crease. Repeat the same thing for all the four sides. Open the flap as shown and lift this flap. Then fold this as demonstrated. This is the head of the dragon and now we are going to work on the tail. Now create the crease marks on the wings by folding as shown. Make a crease from this point to this point and then do the zigzag folds by aligning it to the bottom layers. Repeat the same thing to the other wings too. Now we'll be working on this portion. carefully open and slightly pull it. Then you can see a square over here. Just pinch it as shown to make this crease. Origami dragon is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.